take a look at this board. It is mostly in order, but something in order um, doesn't really have much information, right? Closed systems on a loop contain very little information. So as you can see, this board that is contained, if you look at just within the board and don't look at the background, there is very little information present in the board. In order for this board to have information, you need to introduce chaos or disorder. And that's what entropy is. Entropy is not this thing that life is fighting against to, I feel like a lot of times people talk about entropy as something that we fight or something that is bad. But without entropy, there would be no new information. And without new information, life couldn't exist because life is all information, right? What is our DNA? It's a double helix coded with 4 letters that contains information about how to create proteins. What are proteins? Proteins are molecular machines that basically fold in certain ways to change the bonds of different molecules in order to create the process of life. And so entropy is very essential to our fundamental existence. And so I feel like a lot of times don't understand entropy and think entropy or chaos is a bad thing, but entropy is the reason life can exist. Entropy is the reason love can exist. Entropy is the reason there is so much complexity and beauty in the world. So yeah, that's today's video.